Hello, my dear students. So, how are you? Hope you are doing very well. Okay. So, every day we are learning some new trick on different topic. Okay. So, today topic is what? Trigonometry, and we are going to learn the standard angle. What we are going to learn, sir? Standard angle. Actually, what I saw na, कि many students facing problem. Okay. So, it's like sine 30, sine 45, cos. Okay. It seems very difficult to remember, and without this you can't do trigonometry very well. Okay, so we have to learn. See, in the first part of the trigo, what we have to learn? Pythagoras theorem. So that is very simple. Okay, Pandit Badri Prasad Bala PH like that. Okay, I will discuss in next class also. Okay, but after that, the second part, what we have to learn? All second part of the trigo based on the standard angle. Okay, so we have to do this. After this, what we have to do? We have to learn some identities, and then our height and distance. And the student who are in the grade 10th now facing lot of problem due to this. So today we solve out this one. Okay, so one by one we complete this problem. No need to worry. Okay, so first we understand what our standard angle. Okay, when we go in higher grade now, so there we have to find the all angles like 39 degree, 40 degree, all these things. But here few angles going to be standard like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So this angle is known as the standard angle. So we have to learn what is the sine 0, what is the value of sine 30, what is the value of sine 60, cos 60, all these things. So this we have to by heart. But many students at the time they practice by heart, and after few time what they do, they forget. It's okay, no problem. Right now we have the trick. By using our hand, we can find the any value. So first we have to take which hand? Sir, we have to take the left hand, right like this. Okay. So drawing is good now. Okay, write in the comment section drawing is good or bad. Okay. So here I make the drawing of left hand. I did very hard work. Okay, because my drawing is very poor. So here from bottom one. Okay, this is our left hand. Okay, just think like that. From the left hand. So think this is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Always from the left hand. Okay. So I just make here left hand and write 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. You should remember, okay? Just thumb. That is 0 degree, 30, 45, 60, 90. Very easy, na? Just in sequence only. No need to change anywhere. Sir, this part I understand. After that, what happened? See, there are the 6 elements. Sine, cos, tan. Now, just cot, sec, cosec. So sine, who is the reciprocal of sine? Cosec. Cos reciprocal, sec, tan reciprocal, cot. So we have to learn these three, and then we have to take the reciprocal, we find that one. So first one, then we have to find the sine angle. Okay. So what we have to do? Fingers below, root and under, fingers below by 2. As per example, we take the example to understand better. Suppose that we are taking the sine 0 degree. What we are taking here? Sine 0 degree. So below that, how many fingers there? Here I am writing here sine 0 degree. We are finding the value of sine 0 degree. So below 0 degree, no any angle na, no any finger na. So we write here root under 0 divide with 2, and we know that it comes 0 by 2. So our answer is what? 0 degree. Okay, it's very remember na, sine 0 is going to be 0 only. Okay. Now after that we take some other example to understand more better. Okay, here I am taking here sine 45 degree. So see, 45 is here only na. So below 45, how many finger? 1, 2. So we write here root under 2 divide with 2. Any problem? No. So when you solve this, what it come? 1 by root 2. What did this come? 1 by root 2. Understand? Very easy, na? Like that we can solve anyone. Now, when you are doing in the exam, so always take the left hand. Now we have to find the sine 90 degree. So this is left hand. Where is the sine 90? So this is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So this 90 degree just found. So below that, how many finger? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write here root under 4. What we write here? Root under 4 by 2. So root under 4, what we get? When we take out root under 4, it comes 2. So 2 by 2, our answer is going to be 1. Very easy or hard? Sir, very easy, sir. Okay. Now we can take one more example. Okay. Suppose that now we are in the exam. We forget everything. Okay. Now we have to find the sine 40, sine 60. Okay. So we take our left hand. Sir, this is our left hand. Okay, sir. Now where is the sine 60? So 0, 30, 45, 60. This is sine 60. So below that how many fingers? Sir, 1, 2, 3. So we write here root under 3. Okay. And by 2. This is your value now. Imagine how much easy. Okay. So you can practice like this and you can find any value of sine. Means a standard value, not any value. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Can you do this? Yes, sir. Now, second part. Cos. When we have to find the cos, so at that time what we have to do? Finger above by root under finger above by 2. As example. Again. Now, this is our finger. Now we have to take cos 30 degree. What we are taking? The cos 30. So this is 0 degree, this is 30 degree. Always we use the left hand. So 0 degree, 30 degree. So now we have to find the cos 30. So above how many fingers there? 1, 2, 3. See, this is 30. Now above how many fingers? 1, 2, 3. So we write here root under 3 by 2. This is cos 30. This is cos 30. Okay. Like that we can practice. Any other example we can check, no problem. Suppose that if you are taking the cos 90. See. So now this is our left hand. So 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, sir. And this is 90 degree. Now above this how many finger? So no finger, not 0 finger. You can check here. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Above this, how many finger? Above this, no finger. So we write here root under 0 by 2. So our answer becomes 0 only. What the answer come? 0. Because we know that the 0 divided with any number, answer is 0 only. Okay. Now take one more example. Cos 45 degree. Okay, now finger 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. So below above 45, how many finger there? Sir, 2 finger, 1, 2. We can check from here. 45 above 1 finger, 2 finger. So we write here root under 2 by 2. So answer come 1 by root 2. Okay. See, one thing I want to say. Here 2, it means what? Root 2 into root 2. So here, root 2 by 2. I am writing, so it means what? This is root 2, but here we write root 2 into root 2. So one root cancel, that's why answer is 1 by root 2. So no need to confuse. So now sine, cos, hope you understand very well now? Yes, sir. Now, tan. Okay, so how can you find for tan? So here, simple. Always we have to take the left hand side. Okay. So here, finger below, root under finger below by root under finger above. Okay. Take one example. Tan 30 degree. Okay. So see, tan 30. Now first we have to take the below. So below how many finger? 1 finger. So we write here root under 1. Okay. Now above how many finger? 1, 2, 3. So we write here root under 3. So we know that root under 1 means what? 1 only. And root under 3, 3. So our answer is 1 by root 3. Answer is what? 1 by root 3. Understand? We can take any other example to understand more better. Suppose that we have to take the tan 45 degree. So 0, 30, 45. So below that how many finger? Below that 2 finger. So we write here tan 45. So below that 2 finger. See, if you are taking the tan 45, so below that 2 finger and above how many finger? Sir, 2 finger. So what comes? same number na, root 2 divide with root 2. We know that if same number divide, then answer is 1. So what is the answer here? 1. So this formula we learn how to find the sine, cos and tan. If you find the cot, just do the reciprocal of tan, because tan and cot are the brother. Okay, so reciprocal of, for finding the cot we do the reciprocal of tan, for finding the cos we do the reciprocal of sec, sorry, for finding sec we do the reciprocal of cos, for finding cosec we do the reciprocal of sine. So in this way we learn all 4 6. Correct na? Understand? So sine, cos, tan, this is the formula base. And after that, for finding cot, what we will do? We do the reciprocal of tan. For finding sec, we do the reciprocal of cos. For finding cosec, we do the reciprocal of sec. So hope you understand this trick. And if you understand this trick and really feel very amazing, kindly share with your friend who in the grade 10th. Okay? So please take care. We meet in the next class. Bye.